in this program we are going to discuss about different variations in for loop. So general construct of for loop is for within bracket we initialize the variable, condition is checked for true or false. If this condition is true, this statement will execute. After this, control will go here it will increase or decrease the value of variable. Then again condition is checked for true or false and this statement will execute till this condition gets false. Now we can change this construct of for loop. For example, I don't want to initialize my variable inside for. So I can initialize it early, like int I have declared my variable and here I'm initializing it with 0. Now I'm writing for, even though I am not initializing my variable I inside for, I have to put semicolon here for that. After that, I'm checking the condition I is less than equals to 10, semicolon I plus plus, printf value of I equals to %t. Here I'm printing the value of I and then return 0. What it will do, it has initialized the value of I with 0. Here it is checking if I is less than equals to 10. If it is true, then the statement will execute, and if it is false, it will not execute. Here in our condition it is true, so it will execute this printf statement. Again control will go here, increase the value of I by 1. Again the condition is checked for true or false. Again condition is true and it will print the value of I. It will go up to 10. So what this program is going to print, it is going to print value of I from 0 to 10. Save the program, build it and then run it. So it has printed the value of I from 0 to 10. In our previous program, we have seen that we can put initialization statement outside for loop brackets. So in this program, we are going to see that we can even put this increment or decrement, whatever we are doing here, outside the brackets of for loop. So here I'm making changes in same program. I'm removing it from here and I'm putting it here. I equals to I plus 2. I have changed the program. Here it is doing I equals to I plus 2. That is increasing the increasing 2 in the value of I. So how is this program running? Here I is initialized with 0. Here condition is checked for true or false. Yes, in our case it is true. It will print the value of I. After that, control will come here and increase the value of I by 2 because we have done I equals to I plus 2. After this, it will again come here and it will check the condition that I is less than equals to 10. Yes, condition is true. Again, it will print the value of I. Again, it will increment 2 in the value of I. And it will continue till this condition is true. So let's run the program, build it, and then run it. So what this program is printing, it has printed value of I equals to 0, then it is printing it is 2, then value of I equals to 4, value of I equals to 6, 8 and last is 10. Now in this program we are going to print the value of I from 10 to 1. So hash include stdio.h int main, then int I, we have taken an integer variable. I'm initializing I with 10. Then I'm starting my for loop. I have already initialized my variable I with 10, so I'm not initializing it inside for. I'm just putting semicolon. Then I have put here I. Again semicolon, I minus minus. What does this I means? That this loop will run till the value of I is not equals to 0. If we are writing single I, that has same meaning as this. This also means I is not equals to 0, and this is also same. So within curly braces, I am printing the value of I backslash n, value of I equals to percentage t, comma I, semicolon, and here return 0. Save the program, build it, and then run it. So it has printed the value of I starting from 10 to 1. Now we'll see what is infinite for loop. Infinite for loop is a loop which has no condition given. When there is no condition, then the loop becomes infinite. For example, I have initialized value of I here. Now I'm removing condition from here, and I am removing this thing also from here. I'm making it empty. I'm decrementing value of I here. Save the program and build it. Run it. Now it has become infinite for loop because there is no condition. So when for loop has no condition, then that for loop is infinite for loop.